Hello everyone, so today we are going to go over the basics of Google Documents or Google Docs. Now I have already opened up a Google Doc so we can go over an example of how to use the basics. So right now we have two paragraphs of text and they are currently not formatted, so this is the default formatting. First we're going to name the document. At the top left next to the Google Docs icon it says that the title right now is Untitled Document. So we are going to change that depending on what we want to name it. Now I'm going to change it to How to Use Google Docs. Next we are going to explore the toolbar. So first we're going to change the font. You can use this drop down menu and choose from the list. Or if you want to explore more fonts, you can press more fonts. Today I want to use Times New Roman. So what I can do is highlight the text that I want to be that font and choose Times New Roman. Next you can change the size of the text, and there are multiple ways you can do that. You can press the number and click the font size based on the drop down menu, or you can go ahead and type it in, and either way works. Next, you can also change how the words look. So the capital B makes the words bold, the capital I makes the words italicized, and the U makes the words underlined. So bold looks like this, italicized looks like this, and underlined looks like this. So the capital A next is text color, which changes the color of the words. And you can either choose from the pre-made colors, or you can press custom, the plus, and make your own color. The same goes with the highlights. You can choose a pre-made color, or you can press custom and make your own color. So say I want to change the color of the second line to blue. The text color, I want it to be blue, and say I want to highlight the third line blue. I can choose blue. Now over here we have alignment. So you can align to the left, the center, the right, or justified. Justified means that it will be aligned to both the left and the right margins, so it will be hugging both margins. So now I'm going to highlight the title, or first I'm going to make a title. So, How to Use Google Docs, and I want to make the title center. So I can highlight this and press center align. Now if I want to highlight this, it is currently left aligned. If I want to center align it, I can press center align, right align, or justify. Next, we have align spacing. So that's over here. And you can click on a number of the list, or you can customize your own spacing by pressing custom spacing. If I want my paper to be double spaced, I can highlight everything, go to line spacing, and then you can click double, and my paper is now double spaced. You can also change the alignment with the bar at the top. So the rectangle is going to be where the first line will be aligned, and the triangle is where the rest of the paragraph will be aligned. So you can change the alignment by first highlighting, and if you want the first line to be aligned, you can just move the rectangle. And the rectangle indicates that the first line is indented, but that the rest of the paragraph is not. So now that you have finished your assignment, you're going to want to save it. One of the cool things about Google Drive is that it automatically saves, so it will be in your Google Drive with all the recent changes. If you want to save it to your desktop, what you can do is press File, Download, and whichever formats you want to download in, there are multiple options, and it will be in your download, in your files, after you download it. That is it for this video, and we hope you learned a lot about the basics of Google Docs.